Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. So in this video, I have a question for you. Are you ready for Easter? This video is going to be all about really beautiful Easter tablescapes that you can create at home. And if you are one of my subscribers who does not celebrate Easter, that is a-okay. All of these tablescapes can really just be used for a good spring tablescape as well. Doesn't just have to be for Easter. I just think they're beautiful tablescapes and I wanted to share them with you. You can use this video for inspiration if you are hosting Easter dinner or if you just want a beautiful spring tablescape to enjoy and for your family to enjoy. Now, what I've noticed about a lot of these tables are that a lot of the items used can really be purchased at various stores. Sometimes when I show you all pictures, it's not for you to exactly copy the room identical. It's basically to give you inspiration. If you see a beautiful green and white room, you can do something similar in your home. Maybe without the exact pieces, but just the vibe of the picture that I'm showing you. And these tablescapes are no different. Now, some of the stores that I have noticed that have really beautiful pieces, believe it or not, are Walmart. Walmart has this set of dishes that I want that's black and white and it's kind of modern, and if you all are Walmart shoppers, you may know what I'm talking about. It has a little gold accent on there, and I've really been keeping my eye on it because I may make the splurge and just go ahead and get it. But if you need things like a wicker plate charger like the one shown, of course Pier 1, if you can still find one, I think they have a website, has beautiful things like this. Go ahead and check out Walmart, check Target, check Kirkland's. Also, Michael's and Hobby Lobbies are great places and stores to find some of this decor. And the plus side about Hobby Lobby and Michael's is that you may actually be able to get a really nice coupon to use as well. I love to save. Now, if you're a person that doesn't get into the whole pastels and just kind of overly feminine look for Easter or spring decor, I definitely wanted to show you this tablescape. It is somewhat minimal. It's not in the traditional Easter or spring colors, so it's going to be great if you have a farmhouse style kitchen or even Japandi, modern organic, something along those lines. And I think it's really pretty. It's something outside of the box. Here's another really easy tablescape. You can just add a linen table runner down the center of your table, add a eucalyptus garland, and then just have a vase of flowers in the middle. Of course, I love tulips, one of my favorite flowers, but it's still giving Easter, but it's very simple to recreate at your home. example of another very untraditional Easter or spring tablescape. This is what looks mainly like a black and white tablescape with touches of brown, so I do think it's really beautiful. Now this doesn't just scream spring at you, it doesn't scream Easter, but yet it's perfect for it. And like I said, not everyone is a pastel person. And if you are not, you can still beautifully decorate for the season. Okay friends, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tablescapes. Now, these are not all of my favorites, but I didn't want to make this section too long. Of course, I love this one. Something about the greenery that just screams spring. I love this one too. You have some of the Easter pastels, but it's a little more subdued, and I think these, like the decorations here, the decor would be really easy to find at certain stores. If you want to go more for a minimalistic vibe, this one is probably perfect, and Walmart has some plates that look almost identical to this. And I felt this is just a good solid Easter tablescape or just a solid spring tablescape. Once again friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.